What's up, guys? We are here now for the second part, which we will show how to make quickly a modeling a structure like this. So we're gonna click here. You create your AutoCAD a new file, a new drawing, and call him a complex roof. So after, you're gonna go to 3D and check and put a UN command and set up your unity. I'll work in the meters unity and click OK. After, I'm gonna use a line command 0 0. Here I put a meter and go there 15 meters and a meter. This is my first step, and after I'm gonna click here and go here 2 meters, and after I'm gonna draw an arc. So when I want to draw an arc, I'm gonna change my UCS a system. I go there, I change. Okay, this universal system interface, the UCS universal system a user. So I'm gonna going here and draw the arc by 3 points. I click here, I'm going here, and I have here. If I did change this UCS from this way, I can't be able to make this drawing. So this is some typical practical tips of AutoCAD. So I'm going to click here and put mirror command. Okay, now, and go there, go here, put some offsets 3 meters, and put extend command. Okay, trim. Okay, after to do this, so I click here, I delete this line, and I'm gonna click here and put some mirror from this here, again here, mirror, and after copy from this to this, and go here, mirror, I'm going here, and so on. So after I select all line and make a copy from here to here, how meters, 10 meters. Okay, and after I create a new line here and make a scale offset, not scale, offset from this line, or not, I just copy, vertical copy 1 meter. After I'm gonna change again, a UCS position, and I'm going here, So I change the UCS. I'm going here, change here, and try to see how it can give me. Here I change my UCS. Okay, it gives me the possibility to draw this arc. After to draw this arc, I'm gonna copy my arc. Copy. I copy my arc here, from here, middle, here, here, middle, here, here, and here. So quickly I have this form. So when I have this form, so I'm gonna going at 3D. I was in drafting, and I'm gonna going to 3D modeling. So I'm gonna create my shape. To create my shell form, I'm gonna using a surface menu and loft. So I'm click here. So wait, excuse me, I delete this line. I'm going here quickly, this form here and here. You see, I can use this method. So I'm going here, I click here and here. I have this form. I click first Enter and right click grid. I click here to follow the shape and Enter. I'll repeat the same command and click and get, and so I click here and repeat the same command for this part 2 and click. I repeat loft, click, get, and so loft. No, sorry, sorry. I repeat the same. Okay, Enter, right click, get. Okay, I repeat the same command from this line and this line. Click, right click, get. I use this, and I'm going here, command and command. So excuse me. It's here and here. Right click, get. Okay, Enter. Repeat the same command here and here. Here, right click, get. So okay, we have the total of our shape. So I'm going to click here, and go to properties. So we have the generatrice and the directrice. So our U isoline, we have 6 isoline. When you change something here, 12, see what happened, you see. So we stay our 6th, and I put 4. You see, it gives us a shape like this. So I decide I let them 6th, and if I prefer to have my isoline of this shape of my shell, so I can let them like this. And after I'm going here and change. Is here we're gonna change the isoline to put 4. You see, it looks like that. We have 6, it's okay. V we put 4. Oh wait, 4 here, 6th, it can stay 6th. 6. We put the same things here. 4. And here 6, 6, 6, 6. So this is our shape. So when you're going to a conceptual view, this is our shape we've been created. And after to create it, to create our shape, you can see is this. So this is our surface, but to be able to make a structural finite form which can be possible to explore it in robot structural analysis, we're gonna put a next step, a next tips. So go to wireframe, and I'm going here. I'm gonna select all my surface. I'm select all my surface, or my surface. After select all my surface, I'm going to create a mesh. So I click here and define the type of mesh. It can be mostly quads, eyeless triangular mesh. This mesh will help me to robot. Will allow to robot to be able to recognize my 3D AutoCAD model as a shell. So I put 1.2, and here I put 1.2. After I create my mesh, so you see everything change here. And when I'm going to put realistic, this is my mesh. Conceptual, this is my mesh. You want to click here in front of my mesh, but I'm going to categorize my type of layer. So I'm going to click here and go to layer. The type of layer, I create a new layer. I put column. I change the color. I put red, the green, and I created a new layer. I put red, and I'm going here. So I'm click here, I click here, and I click here. I'm going here and put surface, and after I select all my columns, click here, put surface. So this is my shape. So I'm gonna hide in a surface, and so I delete this because I don't use it anymore. This line, and this line. Okay, I delete. I have columns, and after I click here. So this is my shape form. So it's already ready. So when it's ready, so I already finished to design my shape form. And what I can do next is to select all this and explode it. Explode command. So this is my shape. The name is complex roof. So I'm going to RSA. I create shell, new project, and I'm going here. I'm going to open project, and you can see here we have wait. So this is my form. I save and I back to Robo, complex roof demo, and after I click here, this is my phone. Okay, this is my phone. And after, what I can do next, for the next video, so I'll show you down how you can just put some structural design and analysis. Thank you. See you for the third party.